Monica observes Peter designing their house plan in SweetHome 3D. With a mix of admiration and apprehension, his initial layout has a certain outhouse aesthetic. But Peter assures her he's just setting the bathroom dimensions. Later, they'll be incorporated into the north side's upper wall for a more luxurious feel. Let's see what Peter did. According to Peter's plan, the bathroom is 3 meters by 3 meters. Let's create the bathroom using a different approach. We'll create a rectangular room outside the main layout. To draw walls in SweetHome 3D, locate the Create Wall button on the toolbar. Click it once to activate the tool. When the Create Walls tip information window appears, click OK to continue. To create your first wall, click on the desired location on the floor plan. Then, while holding down the left mouse button, drag your mouse to the right. To draw the next wall, click once to set its endpoint. To create the third wall, drag your mouse to the left until a dashed blue line appears. This line indicates the starting point of the first wall. Remember to double-click the starting point of the first wall to connect it to the last wall and complete the room outline. Right-click on a selected wall and choose Modify Walls from the menu. In the Modify Walls window, adjust the thickness to 30 centimeters and click OK to confirm. With all walls selected, use the Resize All Selected Items tool from the toolbar, introduced in a previous video with the Advanced Editing plugin. In the Resize window, and check the Keep Aspect Ratio box. Enter 3 meters for the necessary inner wall length, plus 0.3 meters for wall thickness, for both width and height. Then, select OK. To ensure accuracy, let's add dimension lines to all walls on this floor. In the toolbar, select the Add Dimension Lines to Walls tool. A pop-up window appears with options for auto-dimensioning. In this window, make sure to choose Only for selected walls and click Yes. The inner bathroom walls are each 3 meters long, ensuring we've accurately followed Peter's floor plan. Press Ctrl and C to undo the auto-dimensioning. Let's move the bathroom to be centered on the top wall. Click the Create Dimensions button on the toolbar. Double-click on the bottom wall of the bathroom. To add a dimension line, you can then fine-tune its position by dragging your mouse. Repeat the process for the main house. Double-click on the top wall to add a dimension line and adjust its placement as needed by dragging. To center the dimension lines. To show the center point of the walls, we'll use the Select Object button on the toolbar. This button allows us to choose specific objects for editing. Remember, you'll need to click this button whenever you want to select an object for modification. Double-click on the dimension line for the bathroom wall. In the Modify Dimension window, locate the section for endpoints. Find the value displayed for the total distance between the endpoints. Divide this value by 2 to calculate the center point. Click OK to confirm the changes. The dimension line now points to the center of the wall. Follow the same steps for the dimension line of the main wall. Double-click the dimension line, and on the Modify Dimension window, locate the total distance value and divide it by 2, then click OK. Select the bottom wall of the bathroom, and press the Delete key to remove it. To move the bathroom, select all its walls using the Select Object button on the toolbar. Click and hold the left mouse button anywhere in the floor plan. Drag the mouse to create a rectangular box that encompasses all the bathroom walls. And the dimension line, release the mouse button. This will select all walls within the selection box. You can alternatively select each wall individually by clicking on them while holding the Shift key on your keyboard. Click and hold on any of the selected bathroom walls. This will allow you to move the entire group of walls together. Drag the mouse in the desired direction to roughly position the bathroom near the center of the main wall. You don't need perfect precision at this stage. Release the mouse button once you have the bathroom in an approximate location. Use the zoom in button on the toolbar to get a closer view for better positioning. Alternatively, while pointing to the specific area you want to focus on, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and use the mouse wheel to zoom in or out. Use the arrow keys to precisely position the bathroom walls until the two-dimension lines are aligned. Use the arrow keys to precisely position the bathroom layout on the upper main wall. Click on the upper wall of the main house to select it. Right-click on the selected wall and choose Split Wall from the menu. Select the left side of the newly split wall. Click and drag the right edge of the wall until it meets the left wall of the bathroom. Then, release the mouse button. Select the right side of the newly split wall. Right-click on the selected wall and choose Split Wall from the menu. Select the center section of the newly split wall. Drag its right edge towards the right wall of the bathroom until they touch. Then, release the mouse button. Select the middle part of the wall and press the Delete key to remove it. Select both walls that form the left corner of the bathroom by holding Shift and click on each wall. Right-click on one of the selected walls and choose Join Walls from the menu. Repeat the process for the right corner of the bathroom, selecting both walls and using the Join Walls option. If you use dimension lines for reference, select both of them by holding the Shift key and clicking on each one. Press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove them. Ready to unlock the secrets of creating beautiful rooms and stunning interior designs? Don't miss our next video where we'll dive deeper into this exciting topic.